Wockhardt Hospital Mumbai Central, the first and only multi-speciality hospital in South Mumbai to get JCI accreditation.
I am Dr. Mudit Khanna, consultant joint replacement surgeon at Wockhardt Hospital, South Bombay. Now, total knee replacement has always been a very successful procedure, and most of the patients who've undergone the surgery are very happy to have had the surgery done. Many patients are still scared of undergoing the procedure. The most important feature which actually prevents them to be ready, mentally prepared for the surgical procedure is the fear of pain. It is the fear of having significant or severe pain after the surgery which really scares them and prevents them from being mentally ready to undergo the procedure. Now, we have developed several techniques to allow the knee replacement procedure to be nearly painless. At our hospital, we have developed a novel multi-modal pain control protocol that we use for all our joint replacement patients. This protocol allows our patients to have a painless or near painless experience throughout their stay at the hospital. Most of our patients say that they have no pain at all. Most of our patients are happy and smiling when we go and see them in the evening after the procedure. They are flexing their knees, they're extending their knees, they're bending them, they're straightening them, they're sitting at the edge of the bed and they start walking without the experience of pain.